Welcome to our exploration of GitHub Copilot, the AI-powered coding assistant designed to help programmers write code more efficiently. AI has come a long way, evolving from simple algorithms to advanced systems like GitHub Copilot that can assist in complex programming tasks. Using GitHub Copilot can significantly speed up coding, improve productivity, and assist in learning new programming languages. However, there are limitations. GitHub Copilot can sometimes generate incorrect code or misunderstand complex requirements. This leads us to the debate: can AI truly grasp the nuances of complex coding problems that require human insight? Programming isn't just about writing code, it's also about creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving, areas where humans excel. Let's look at some real-world applications where GitHub Copilot has transformed the development process for teams. When we compare AI-generated code to that written by humans, the results can be interesting, showcasing strengths and weaknesses from both sides. As we move forward, the question arises: what does the future hold for programming jobs in an era dominated by AI tools? Ultimately, it's about coexistence. AI like GitHub Copilot is here to enhance our capabilities, not replace us.